afternoon, Front Office. This is Fatma. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I want to reserve a room for me.
May I know your name?
Miss Raon.
May I know your arrival date?
On March 15, 2008.
Ma'am, when was your departure date?
March 17, 2008.
What room would you like?
What are available rooms?
There's a room worth of 12,000. Deluxe worth of 9,000. And a economy room for worth of 7,000.
What are accompanying each room?
Would you like to try suite room? It is composed of 2 bed, jacuzzi, and overview the pool, while the deluxe room will have 2 bed and 2 jacuzzi.
I take the deluxe room.
Okay, and may I know your address?
Bacoor, Cavite.
May I know your phone number?
4172.
May I know what method of payment?
Credit card.
Your confirmation number is 11417. Thank you for calling, ma'am. Have a nice day.